Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Milady Memecoin. We're going to be doing our daily analysis on the price, see what is happening, and whether or not we could be seeing the next leg up starting this weekend. I am under the weather a little bit today. I have a lot of runny nose, headache, but I could not miss an update for my viewers. You guys are showing so much love, so continuing showing this support, guys, and I will continue delivering these kind of updates for my viewers. So if we're looking at the price of Milady's Memecoin, as of May 26, 2023, today is a Friday, you guys can see the price is very close to what it was yesterday. So that is a big plus point. That shows us that over the past few hours, especially the last 24 hours, we haven't seen as much of a sell-off as we have been seeing over the past 2 to 3 days. So looking at the price, it has about 7 zeros in front of the price, currently sitting at 41,631, down about 1.5% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also down 2% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, currently sitting at $37.2 million, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 12.7 million. Of course, before we get into our analysis, where I pull out the charts, we have to examine what is happening with the overall community. As you guys can see, not much big news coming in terms of a new listing or anything, but the overall follower count is still high. We have seen a little bit of a decrease in the followers compared to yesterday, and that is totally okay. Remember, there's a lot of spam accounts that do register, so Twitter, of course, filters those out, so that could be the reason as to why we have seen that. But if we're moving to the holder count, you can see it has finally starting to increase, and the most important thing is that it's still holding above 15,000 holders, despite the fact that we have seen quite a big sell-off happening within the price of Milady along with other meme coins across the board. Despite that fact, it has remained above 15,000 holders, which is a huge plus point, and a lot of people tend to ignore that when it comes to analyzing the price of Milady or any meme coin. The reason as to why we even look at this is because it shows us the interest level in this project. Not only that, it shows us what the holders are doing. If we're seeing holders leaving at a very, very fast rate, that is an indication that people are not optimistic about that specific project, and they don't think that that project is here for the long haul. So seeing it hold really strong above that 15,000 mark is really nice to see, of course. So now you guys know what time it is. It is time to analyze the charts. That's what everyone is here for. I'm going to share my personal opinions with you guys. This is a jam-packed update for you guys. I'm going to share something that is happening with Milady that is causing it to have a little bit of trouble breaking towards the upside. Maybe you guys have noticed the exact same thing. So let's waste no more time and get right into it. You guys know the good old disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So if we're looking at Milady's market cap, currently sitting at $37.1 million, which is really, really nice to point out to you guys. But let's look at the bigger picture as to what really is happening and what is causing it to have troubles breaking out. So as I've said to you guys in my other update, if you guys really watched my updates over the past few days now, you guys really know I keep you guys updated as to what exactly is happening, and we are really having a hard time breaking out of this level of resistance. And the main reason as to why that's the case is because, guys, there's so much right now, there's so much interest in all these new meme coins that are coming out. There's people that are like talking about these other new meme coins that are launching, so interest goes into those new projects. But despite that fact, we are seeing the price hold around this range, and we never really retested back down to the lows that we have hit. So if you picked it up on the 24th of May, you are still up right now about 35%, which is great. So the one thing I want you guys to keep in mind is look at this, guys. The buying pressure is just not there for itself right now. You guys can see compared to the previous days, we have seen a spike in the overall buying pressure. Right now, it's just not there. And of course, that is why, we're having a hard time breaking out of this level of resistance. You guys can see we have been, if I bring out the charts a little closer to you guys can get a better understanding as to what really is going on. We did a wick all the way up to that 4708 cents mark, but really managed to pull back down. But we're being supported by that same level of resistance which I was talking to you guys about last time. When we were on a downwards channel, when we broke below this level of support, we did see the price go all the way to that 3069 cents mark. But we're being supported by that range, but of course right now it's playing as a level of resistance for us. So what is next? So you guys know that historically speaking, again, the meme coin market just started about like a month and a half ago, and generally speaking, weekends do tend to be quite bullish for meme coins. So could this be the time where we finally see a reversal happening and could see Milady start heading back to these prices? We definitely could see that happen, but right now, guys, this is what's coming in our way, this level of resistance. We really need to go past this. And what I'm noticing right now, let me know in the comment section if you guys also agree with this. The $40 million market cap is really, really hard for Milady to break. That is a huge, so basically the $40 million resistance is huge for ladies. I personally believe, again, guys, this is just my own personal opinion, but what I'm personally projecting is if Milady is able to break out of the $40 million market cap, we could see this run. And the next leg up potentially could start. Of course, if we're talking about all-time highs, I am not going to be talking about all-time highs until we cross over this blue line, that massive level of resistance which I've explained to you guys on a daily basis. And if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, that is a move of 136%. And remember, guys, in the meme coin market, 136% with a low market cap coin can happen quite fast, especially when it's listed on really great exchanges across the board. So liquidity is not an issue. When interest comes in, we can really see things popping off. And I'm not sure if you guys are also seeing this, but what we're seeing happening right now is the coins that came out around the same time. So we're looking at Bob, we're looking at Ladies, we're looking at Mong, we're looking at, what's another one that I can't think of? Oh yeah, Pepe. Of course, Pepe came a little bit before, but all of them have consolidated a lot and had massive retracement, but we're slowly starting to see them uptick. So could we potentially see the next leg up start for the entire market? We will see how the next few hours play out. But if we're looking at Pepe, holding nice and steady above that $600 million market cap, and that really shows the importance of that level. So I really have my eyes on Ladies right now. If we break past $40 million market cap, I do believe it could see a little bit of a run, and potentially, who knows, if we could start the next leg up officially. But we of course need to clear this level of resistance and have a little bit more buying pressure come in, and I really do think there could be a move very near for Ladies. But with that said, of course, the worst case scenario is if we lose this support line, we could be retesting that low that we have hit. If we're examining Bitcoin is making its way back up to the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. So who knows if that could impact Pepe and Miladies as well. But overall, my stance hasn't changed. I still do believe Milady does have what it takes to make some gains, especially retest all-time highs, but that is going to take some time, right? It's not going to happen overnight. And everyone be commenting now. What I'm starting to see is those after this massive sell-off, the real community members are left. We were seeing when things were going insane, we were seeing some people come in and, of course, talk bad about the project and stuff. I did not lock in profits, XYZ, but let this be the learning lesson, guys. Let this be, you want to be learning day by day. You can never learn enough. I've been in the markets for about almost 8 years in the crypto space, and I'm still learning to this day. And the biggest lesson that I can tell everyone is to do 3 things. Make this a habit. Always do your due diligence and research when investing in crypto. Number 2 is always invest where you can afford to lose. You got to have a peace of mind. It's not all about charts. It's not all about money. Yes, you could make some massive gains. Who knows? But invest where you can afford to lose, especially meme coins. Remember, 99.9% of these meme coins are going to fail. Don't let other people tell you otherwise. These are going to fail at the end of the day. But of course, we're in a bull market, so gains can be made. And same, speaking historically, meme coins really did pop off last cycle as well. So I'm thinking same type of situation is going to happen, and we're starting to see the same effect happen. But it does require patience, and always do your due diligence and research, and never invest where you cannot afford to lose, guys. I can't stress that enough. I know I say this on a daily basis for everyone, but my true OG supporters, and even my new supporters, I love each and every one of you guys. You guys really understand. Just trying to look out for you guys, because everyone needs money at the end of the day. So you don't want to be stuck into these projects and anything or investments and you don't have any liquid cash to buy yourself groceries, pay a rent, mortgage, or whatever the case may be. So that's why it's important to I know the feeling. Listen, I know the feeling. When things are going crazy, you're like, what here? Let me just throw. I have money sitting there. Let me just throw it in there. We need to start looking at what's the important stuff in life, and that's what I try to teach my viewers. Crypto, money. That's sure, it's important. Everyone does it to, of course, live a nice life, comfortable life. But at the end of the day, we need to realize what is most important, which is family, your well-being, and then keep that in mind. And also, if you want to invest, do that, but keep everything in your means, okay? But that is it for today's update. I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for all the support you guys show me, and that is my current analysis. Let me know down below if you guys agree with me or you guys disagree with me. I would love to know your feedback. Love you all. See you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out. Yeah, guys, I need to go get myself some green tea or something like that, because I am not feeling too well. Love you all. Bye-bye.